Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to create a complete campaign from A to Z with Highlevel. For this example, we're assuming we have a trade show booth and we want as many people as possible to come to our booth at a specific time. We're offering free giveaways and have set up a full campaign with automations, a form and much more to make this happen. Thereby collecting customer addresses for further use. So let's dive right in. For this example, I've created the fictional brand Delving Lollipop. We're assuming we're a lollipop manufacturer represented at a trade show and we want to attract customer and get them into our CRM. As preparation, I've created a form here, the heart of the whole operation. It asks for the full name, email address, phone number and includes an automatic confirmation of the terms and conditions. When Start Now is clicked, they are automatically entered into a raffle and their data is in our CRM. After that, a thank you page opens directly. Additionally, I've prepared a flyer with a QR code promoting the raffle. And this QR code leads directly to the form to sign up for the raffle. Lastly, part of my preparation was a small funnel, the Delving Lollipop raffle funnel. Here you can see what it looks like. With the logo, join the raffle, and then we go down to have this form embedded, which you can also fill out here with a few little extras in case someone wants to browse further. And that's it for the preparation. With this preparation, we should manage to get as many people as possible to sign up for the free raffle. And we now want to create an automation where we give the customer a tag. They should be listed in a table and they should receive a thank you email and definitely be reminded by SMS when they are at the trade show that the raffle will be held in 20 minutes at our booth. For this, we'll go into automation. We click on automation, say create new workflow, start from scratch. Now we name the workflow, in this case Delving TM Lollipop Raffle. This trigger is clear here. We click on it and say form submitted. We can rename this, and here it's not that we want every form, but of course the form that we specifically created for this Delving Lollipop Raffle. Save trigger. With that, we've set the start, and the automation starts running as soon as someone signs up in this form. Remember, we have their name, email address and phone number. The first action we want to take is to give them a tag, add contact tag. And for this, I've created a tag called Entered Delving Lollipop Raffle. Save action. If you haven't created this yet, you can do so under Settings and then down here under Tags. You just click on New Tag, type this in and create. Then you have this tag and can use it for your automation. Back in the automation, we continue. We would like to collect all the data for this raffle in a list. For this, I have created this list, nothing big, just in my Google Drive folder, Delving Lollipop list. And I've entered first name, email and phone here. These are the three pieces of data we get. And then we do the next action as a Google Sheets action. Here we have to fill in some things. Namely, we want to create spreadsheet row, so that he creates a new row with the data he has just one. Then we take our drive folder, then we say my drive, and here we have Delving Lollipop. I created this in Drive, then it's shown here. If you start creating something new, you should refresh again so that it's shown here. Worksheet. Sheet 1, that's what we have here. Down below you see the sheet 1. We don't have any other sheets in this case and could have named it. Further down, he wants to know from where to where he should pay attention. We start with name and it ends at C phone. We don't have any more items. Now he wants to know what should be entered in name in the first row, and we want contact full name because he entered that in our form. For email, we want to enter contact email, and for phone, it's just as simple contact phone. Now we have everything ready. He's not asking for anything else, save action. And I absolutely have to show you how this works. I think it's absolutely top notch. We say publish here, save the whole thing, go back to our form Delving Lollipop Raffle, say preview. This is what the list look like now. Then we say test. Test is the first and the last name, test@test.com is the email address and we type in any number. Then we confirm the terms and conditions. Click on Start Now. Here comes your thank you page, which we can absolutely beautify, no question. And instantly on this list, you see the data in it. If we do the whole thing a second time, he automatically takes this line and so on. I think this is an incredible, valuable tip. If you use it correctly, you've definitely won. So we go back to our automation and want to continue building it. Next, we want to thank them by SMS after they register, saying here, send SMS. Here we could create a template, but we say that we type it in. I will prepare something. Now I have entered, thank you for registering for our raffle. We will award the prize of 1000 lollipops at 3 p.m. on November 1st at our booth. We will send you a reminder 20 minutes beforehand. Delving lollipop. We can test this down here and then we save the whole thing. Now an SMS goes out. This all still happens instantly, right after filling out the form. In between, I would always recommend saving once at the top right, then nothing can happen. And next we want the workflow to know when the event is. Set event start date or start time. Now we can say we know exactly when it happens. Specific date time. And the date in this case is November 1st, but not at 0 o'clock, but we set at 3 p.m. Save action. Now the workflow knows when this event is and we can definitely work with that. Now we have promised the person filling out the form that we will remember him 20 minutes before the raffle takes place. For this, we have the option here to type in wait. And now you will also notice why it is important that we told the workflow when the event is taking place. Not time delay, but we take this thing here, event appointment time. Now he wants to know until when should he wait. We want before, not month, not days, not hours, but 20 minutes. That's what we promised the customer, and when that happens, he should automatically move to the next step. And next step is then clear, the reminder to the customer. For the reminder, we now take send again and SMS, because an email will probably not be read. If the customer is already walking around the trade show, it's smartest to send him an SMS because he can see it directly and then knows, oh yes, I wanted to go to the booth. As a message, either we take a template that we have prepared or we say the 1000 lollipop raffle is happening in 20 minutes at the Delving Lollipop booth. Get going. Save action. Then he gets an SMS 20 minutes beforehand on the number he entered in the form. Of course, we don't just want to give the customer something, but we also want to use him to keep him as a customer or even win him as a customer. And it is then so that he is happy that he got something for free, and then we can say it is individually possible as you like. We now want to wait 1 day, and exactly 1 day after that happened, the customer then gets another email. So it's also worth it that we ask for the mail. From name, Delving Lollipop. From email, delving@lollipop.com. As a subject, we say, we just wanted to thank you. Or we also use a template here. And as text, I would say, here I have prepared an example. Thank you for being with us yesterday. We were very happy to meet you. If you didn't know us before, here are some information about us. And here we can write a lot. And at the end, there's definitely a special offer for this sympathetic new customer. And we enter that here. And from the whole thing can continue. Now it is possible that, for example, the commercial customer, if it was a trade fair, gets a great offer for a large purchase for his kiosk chain to sell the lollipops from Delving. Save action. And our automation is finished. I think you've seen that there are incredible possibilities with Highlevel if you just deal with it. I would have loved to record this video live to show you how it really works at a trade show, because I can imagine that it gives you incredible opportunities and the customer has nothing to lose. He's happy. Also, you have to remember you have the complete list at the end, the Google Sheet, with all the data of those who participated. You could also contact these people for the next trade show. You could now ask, would you like to be in the newsletter? Or you can also build that in directly. There is an incredible amount possible. You just have to start. Thanks for watching.